Audrey, can you say hi? Look at. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Say we're gonna make deviled eggs.
Make a deviled eggs.
Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna start with some. What are these, Audrey?
Double eggs.
They're eggs. We boiled these eggs. We put them in a pot of water, cold pot of water, and then we let them come to a boil, and then we turn the timer on for 7 minutes, and then we shut it off, and we let it cool, and then we peel the eggs, and then we put them in a baggie, and we put them in the fridge so they can get nice and cold. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we take a bowl, and we're going to take the eggs,
I want one.
and we're going to cut them in half, just like the long way, like this. And then we're going to use a fork, and we're going to scoop out the yolk. Can you say scoop out the yolk?
Scoop out the yolk.
And then we're going to put the eggs on a plate. Sometimes you can use a fancy plate that has holes in it already, but I'm just using a regular one. So we're going to cut these eggs open, and we're going to scoop out the yolks. Plop, plop.
I like plot.
You like plops? One more. Cut it open. What color is that in there? What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. What other color is the egg?
We that color.
I gotta squeeze it harder. Don't squeeze it too hard because then your egg will break. What color is the outside of the egg? What's this part? What color is this part? White?
Yeah.
White. It's just white. Let's see. Let's cut another one so we have enough. What is that? That's a tablecloth.
A doily.
A doily. Say doily. Doily. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4,
Like Dory,
5,
yeah,
6,
but
7,
doily.
8. Let's do a couple more so we have enough to mix up in the bowl. Okay? So we're going to keep cutting these open, plopping them out. Cut it open. And plop it. A trick I have to peeling eggs is when you take them out, you smack them on the bottom and then roll them on the table and then peel them. They're much easier to peel. So that's good for now. We have our whites here, we have our yolks here, and what we add to it is, depending on how many yolks you have, I start off with about a tablespoon and a half of mayonnaise, a little tiny squeeze of mustard, and a little tiny bit of sweet relish. If you don't like sweet relish, you can cut up some dill pickles, and you can use your fork, and we're gonna mix.
Ask Mama, is there lemon in this recipe?
Nope, there's no lemon in this recipe. You can hold it. So we mix this all up. Audrey, you want to help me mix? Here. Stir. Oh, you don't want it. Do you want to add some salt and pepper?
Yeah.
You want to add some pepper?
Yeah.
You got to flip it upside down, grind it in there, a little bit of pepper, and then a little bit of salt. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then we squish, 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 and mix, mix, mix. Right? We keep mixing until everything is all together, and then we take a spatula, and this is my trick for stuffing deviled eggs. I take a Ziploc bag, I stick it into a cup, and then I take a rubber spatula, clean that off, and then I scoop it all into the bowl, from the bowl into the cup. And it all fits right down in there. And then I lift this up, squish it down, all the way down.
I can push it.
And then I gotta cut the end. And then it's perfect for filling our eggs. So here's our eggs that we emptied out. And then you just squeeze a little bit into each of the eggs. And then you look super fancy. And you just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze into all the eggs.
Open it, Mommy.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
Okay.
One more. And then what I like to do, or my mom always used to do, is take a little bit of paprika. It doesn't really taste like anything. And then you sprinkle it right on top of all your eggs. Makes it look nice and fancy. And then you're ready to eat. Also, if you want to make a more adult version, you can add some sriracha, some jalapenos, some horseradish, some regular sriracha, and then drizzle it right on top. Some cayenne pepper or some fiery lime seasoning. These are all really good inside your deviled eggs. How do they look? You don't want deviled eggs? How do they look?
Beautiful.
They look beautiful, but you don't want to eat them?
Mom wants to eat them.
No, you know what? Jenna wants to eat one. Here's Jenna.
All of them, actually.
Mmm. Say thanks for cooking with us. Say thanks for cooking.
Thanks for cooking, Jenna.
Say thanks for cooking with us, friends.
Look at me.
Say thanks for cooking with us.
Say bye.
Bye.